So I'm designed by free WordPress. My free WordPress is generating for so many traffic. I like my domain name. I have to migrate by the premium domain name. Premium domain name. The domain and the hosting will be have to purchase. So automatically free WordPress to give one option is called premium migration. That will be play for every monthly. Every monthly. That is called go to dashboard. Option call is plans. Option call is plans. That is called migrate call free into premium. The options are free website space will be 3 GB. Premium will be total multiple option will be 4. Blogger how much space 6 GB. Personal 6 GB. And coming to premium 13 GB. There are simple versions 3 GB, 6 GB, 6 GB, and 13 GB. Coming to business version premium, business, and e-commerce. Here will be 13 GB. Coming to business unlimited, e-commerce unlimited. So this will be not annual charges. This will be monthly charges. One click here. What is the option called? Upgrade. Option is called upgrade. When showing for any color, this is will be popular. They will be coming to popular. Now click for your upgrade. This will support by all options. This will support by all options. They support by credit or debit card. Add your details. 1 year, 9,600 per month. How much? 800. 2 years, 16,704. 696 per month. How much save? 13%. When you purchase for 2 years, the decreasing by your discount. Finally, select pay for your package. Is it clear? This is called to migrate free WordPress to premium based on select by 1 year or 2 years. They're showing for monthly price to purchase by 1 year or 2 years. It's a very important to migrate free WordPress to premium WordPress.